Hi, so this is to demonstrate how to add custom fields to the store. Okay, so I can go to any product. Each custom field I will add will be added to all products. It's not per product. It's just like adding a price. Here, I'll call it subtitle. For example, at the moment, we only have rich text, so I'll choose rich text. I'll add. And now I'm going to choose which products are going to have this custom field. This one, let's call it lamps, just to demonstrate. I'll click save. And let's do the ceramics design also. As you can see, we'll have the exact same custom field because it's the same for all products, but the content is different, just like the price is different per product, but the field itself of price is the same for all products. So here I'll call it ceramics. Also, it's just to demonstrate. I'll click save. And now I have this custom field only in 2 products. I'm going to sell online, store pages, product page. This is the first product I'm on. Let's add a row. Let's add text. Now I'll connect it to this custom field. So I'll connect it to data. I'll choose the subtitle field. Let's design it a bit better. 760. Okay. So this is lamps. And if I check out the ceramics product, I'll see ceramics. On all other pages, what I'll see is placeholder. You won't see anything. You'll just see the row, an empty row. The way to eliminate this is only to go to the product and add this custom field. So here I'm in gray ceramic. Let's go to this product. And if I fill in the content here, then let's call it gray, just as an example. Now I will not see a placeholder. Yep, so now I see gray, but on other products that I didn't add a custom field, I will see a placeholder. If I check out the live site, this is what I'll see. Let's go to bedroom. And this is my lamp. And I'll see lamps. But if I go here, I'll just see an empty row. You can add additional custom fields and display them, additional texts that can display whichever custom field you need and want. I hope this helps.